Kemar sexy mother here, guys.
Yes, me.
The people in love Kemar, you know.
Got me pretty, pretty baby. You kitty.
I see one for $19. This?
And a $19, 19
Yes.
pound.
A 19 pound?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, a tears alone if you drop out of me eye. I never joke thing. You ready to go home? I'm not wrong with at all. I'm gonna quit the gym. No, wait a minute, hold on. I'm out.
Darling.
Bye, safe travel.
I'm leaving on that midnight train tomorrow.
Boy, now you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you.
Hey cuties, hey newbies. Welcome back to the vlog. If you are new here, my name is Kayanntoocute. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more video, vlog, or whatever. Guys, I am just... But as I come out of the house, where am I going? I don't know, not yet. I don't know where I'm going. But I've been down for the past 2 days. Since I got back from New York, I've been out sick, and I get up today, I go work, came back, still not feeling good. I've still been in the bed. So I'm like, you know what, can't come out of the house, come out of the bed, because I know the flu of me, but another thing is just the house. Just the house. The house is just so fucking tormented at this point. I just can't bother. But just really and truly can't bother. And I'm in since no argue and cuss and fuss and fight about nothing. I'm just done doing that. I'm over it, you know what I mean? I'm over it. So now, I come out of the house, I just go all fresh. I still a wash bed full of clothes to fold up. Where me I put them, I don't know. Don't know. No idea. No idea. Where they gonna go? These still little dresser drawer can't hold nothing. But I'm not fuss up myself right now. I come out of the house and go have a drink. I don't want nobody bother me. You just know in that mood day. I don't even want to talk about it. I swear to you, I just can't be bothered sometimes. But yeah, this hair is holding up really nicely. I'm not even gonna lie. You see if I could do ear, we then take care of the area way better. Like I don't know for curl it and stuff, but I can't curl ear nor nothing like that. You know my daughter busy. But if I could, this would look so much better. This is how it stay from Tisha do it. From Saturday. This is how it look. No curl. Me not add nothing to it. I just left it bonnet it gone bed. That's it. The hair is soft and nice. Oh my god. But I grab a next one. Without the style. Cause that drove Brie crazy. Can we just use one pump? Put it on my hand. One pump. Just for get rid of the redness on my face. Cause when I know where I go. I never know I might meet my future husband out here today. You always want to make sure you look presentable, you know? You know what I mean? Yeah. When you're a single lady, you must go look presentable at all time. Clean at all time. You're not for hot, but just clean. Right? Yeah, that's it. One pump. Get rid of the redness. Nose ring. Go play with your mama. Okie dokes. Look at cologne. I'm gonna use a little bit of this. A little bit of what the hell is this? The Good Girl. Smells so nice. You know, so I'll know me to unpack from New York yet. And let me ship them dandy. All of my stuff them still in my car. I feel like I'm that girl who can't use one cologne. You ever feel that way there? You ever use the color this Marc Jacob? Ooh. Spray my ankle in case somebody want to kiss my foot. In case somebody want to kiss my feet. Make sure them smell good. But anytime I chat to them, I have to laugh. I swear. I have to. Anyway, do I need a purse? I'm going to just carry the same purse here. What my bin have. And you know what? I'm just going to put the slippers on too. Just so I don't have to end up in another closet there. Because I really don't want to end up in there. Yeah. So this is going to be the look. Like I said, my bed full of clothes, guys. Don't watch that. May I wash? Clothes are full up. This is the look. This is two-piece I got from what's it called? Oh my god. What's that place called? Target. Oh Jesus. Wow, that took a minute. I got it from Target. And you already know this slippers and bag I got going on here. Yeah. So I'm gonna just keep that on. And that's the look. Cute, you know? Yeah, let me grab some shmoney. Alright. Oh guys, I just got this from Amazon. Oh, I had it before. The quality is perfect. My Kayanntoocute Jamaica and them keep it. But it looked like I buy the wrong one. Like I buy the one with liquid it. Cause the last one double this. And I love when my hand full of bangles. I love it. These, they last so long. I had them for like 3-4 months. Still shining. I'm Kayanntoocute Jamaica and them snatch it. So, I'm all about that. I want phone case. Maybe I'm reach a Jamrock. Maybe I'm reach a can bar. I don't know which one have the fun right now. I'm gonna really like how Jamrock smell. The food smell, I can't deal with that right now. Can't deal with that. Let me turn off the AC. Alright. Tip me have one load left. This wash and for dry. The mirror dry already too. And this no wash it. Yeah, we have to take the sheet them off a bit for wash that. I'm gonna have some in the dryer. No, park a front or back. Where did I park? We park in the back. So cuties. Anyway, I'm here at the patio and it's not looking too promising at all. There's absolutely no one out there. Where people have not play games, I can't inside. Child, let's go see what's happening. If it's not, then we leave, okay? I do?
Oh, Jesus Christ. You must have that back there.
I don't know.
Okay. Sister, yes. Not worried about it.
When I see you for last time, bigger than you.
Yeah, she me talk about. You know that I don't know type of model origin if you have grey hair. When I put the grey hair, when I put the grey hair, I'm with your mango hair. For the grey hair, there's no goddamn million. I think I'm mango.
I'm trying to be.
I'm leaving on that midnight train tomorrow. Pack up my troubles and I roll them all away.
Tell me pretty, pretty baby. You can take me, baby. This I know, maybe. Whenever you're lonely, girl, you can phone me. What was it, baby? I'll be loading back to you. We can talk for hours. Let's do the flowers. Sit down on the bed.
Hey cuties! Wagwan. I am tired. I'm beat. I did not sleep last night. And the lady is full of work for me today because I'm sick. I never really did work. Never really do nothing much of work. So, be a walk today. Walk kill me in there. But nevertheless, it's done. It's over. But the one go straight to the gym, but the video you upload it, no don't upload it, so me have to go run, go home, get it upload. Meanwhile to upload, me just see if I can clean my room in the meantime. My room is a mess. Anyway, wagwan people, what's up, how y'all doing today? Ooh, I'm sorry, go ahead. Anyway, cuties, so I was thinking, right? I'm gonna quit the gym. No, wait a minute, hold on before and be like, girl, you just joined the gym or if you quit the gym already. Hear me out, alright? So I don't know what to do when I'm in the gym. I'm lost. The only thing I know to do, I walk on the treadmill. The Wi-Fi in the gym suck, it don't pick up properly in there. No, that's all, it don't pick up. And for pay for one app the way I gotta tell you what to do, it's gonna be like $100 a month time for the freaking app. Right? So I'm thinking, right? Quit the gym and try sacrifice myself and pay a trainer. Because me going to the gym every day. Hold on. Because me actually going to the gym every day and not knowing what to do and just doing random exercises will not give me the outcome when I want. You know what I mean? Like, I go in there every day, I do this, I do that, I do just all over the place. Me all over the place when I at the gym. I really don't like the gym. I don't like it. The only thing I like about it is walking on the treadmill. That's it. And that's just because of the incline thing. And me have a treadmill on me yard with incline. What is it called? Whatever. It go up so, like a hill. Yeah. I have that at home. So I don't think I need to pay money to do that. You understand me? Yeah, and I think I better me get a trainer and just train with them at evening time. Maybe I look for one way in a Connecticut, but me can't find none in my price range. And the one I'm find, him don't live here, but him do online classes with a whole heap of people at daytime. So me I try to figure out if I can sign up with him and just do online classes like 3 times a week. At least me will get a good workout 3 times a week. You know what I mean? I don't know if you get what I say, but I don't know. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think, cause I don't know, man. I'm not motivated for go to the gym at all, at all, at all. I'm not. Because I go to the gym, I don't know if I freaking do. Really don't know if I do. And I don't have no gym friend. I don't know nobody at the gym. I don't talk to nobody at the gym. So it's like, everything I do it wrong. You know? I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. The guy who I talk to, the trainer, me follow him on Instagram, I watch a couple of him work. Him look like him do a really awesome job. Him have, me not see look a tiny BBL body girl type thing. Real body girl me seen there. Real girl who go through real fat problem. You know what I mean? Yeah, big belly and all these things. Everybody I try shave off something. Yeah, I like that. I like the gym, the trainer them were full of BBL body bitches like they did something for them. You did not. So, I talked to him a couple times. We sent a couple emails back and forth. Now me wait for him to get back to me, or maybe I me forget back to him because him reply fast. So I think maybe I me for check my Instagram and see what him say. And then just move forward, you know. I really think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, and him cheap. It's less than $100 fee for the classes them at evening time. Well, for the amount of me can manage for 3 day a week. To me, that's reasonable. And him work out with you for an hour every day, hour and a half. You know, depends. Him tell you the type of stuff them you need to buy, like your dumbbell them or whatever, your carpet or whatever you need. You don't even need that. Use things around your house. That's what he said. But yeah, I'll try to figure that out. Anyway, enough of that. I'll figure it out. I mean, I couldn't know where my head did with that. So, I'm gonna go home, get this thing uploaded, and then set it, because it's supposed to that Thursday. The video is supposed to go live in a couple of hours, and it's not exported yet. The shit I'll be doing. This lady stand right in the middle of the road. Here, I'm off your road. I'll see you guys when me go train. What do you call it? Therapist. Alright? Okay? Okay? What cuties, I thought we would be finished so that we can go. We are go and then go to the gym, but that not gonna work. The freaking video. Oh, what are they? I don't know if that's not. So the video, I think by the time I'm ready for release, the video would have at least done, so I can upload it. But this is where we at. 72%, 73% now. So that means me have to go to therapist and then come back home, because that's just exporting from CapCut. Oh, boy, I'm safe to see. Jesus Christ. Can't bear for seeing that room there. Can't bear for seeing. I don't understand. If furniture not in there, you do it like that. I can't want furniture in there. What's gonna happen? It's crazy. Hopefully by the time I come back home, that thing finish. Carry out the trash, guys. Nobody is not carrying it. My mic there. What's that? I need to go look for my mic. one stink. Jesus. I don't know which part, I might be. So worried that the video not gonna make it up in time. But anyway, let's go to the therapist. How should we? So. Cuties, look at this. I took up the wrong phone, bro. This is the new phone. I've nothing at all on it. Nothing. Oh. Oh my God. Now I'm gonna be in here without a phone. But it is what it is. Let's go. Let's do this. Oh. Where's your tight like a vice grip? Oh. Ooh, this camera is about to die. My Sheila. Nothing beats the Jet 2 holiday. Oof. So nice. I love it when that door is open. Hey.
We'll call you in soon, Khadijah, okay?
Okay.
Okay, yes, yes. I definitely gonna need more information.
This is what I'm talking about. No phone to chill with. Crazy.
Good? A little more? Okay. Alright, now your upper back.
Yeah.
Okay. Too high?
Yeah.
Okay, is that better?
Yeah.
Perfect. Alright, Dr. Kemar will be with you in about 10 minutes, okay? You're welcome.
We're done. Oh my God, I'm too excited. I need to go home. Check this video. See what's happening. Right, I saw this and I love it. Let me see if I can get it before. Grow where you're planted. I love that. I don't know why. I don't know why, but when I saw that, it did something to me. It did something. That's why sometimes I have to leave my phone, you know. Because I've been in the elevator 100 times and I never saw that thing. Anyway, I'm going to try to get home as fast and as safe as possible. See what's going on with that video, because it's soon 5 o'clock. Video should be going live at 5, but I'm thinking it's gonna be like 7. It's a cuties, but me telling you that the struggle is real. When I believe me, say the struggle is real when it comes to this freaking. Oh my God. What number will it this up me at? 70, right? 70 something. Almost finished export. Come back a while ago, the video done export. Set it for upload to YouTube. Then they are wait on it. We have 20 minutes. Go up on YouTube now. YouTube will tell me say, this is the message we get from YouTube. Video can't upload. What reason? I don't know. So I say, let me go check the tablet and see what I go on. When I look on the tablet, the video export fully white. There's no Nothing. There's no media in the whole entire video. The whole 1 hour vlog export white. And look on the time now. 5:37. 5:37 and this shit alone take 2-3 hours for export. Trust me when I tell you, say, I have to start it all over again. I have to start export it all freaking over again. It's every week, you know, when I tell them, say, every single upload, I get that fight here. Every upload. There, out of 10 upload, I can promise you maybe I get 2 go up smooth. Maybe 2 go up smooth and I don't have nothing for stress about. Every week got the same thing. Every week. Now look at the time. 5:37 and video just start export again. So pissed off, I just can't bother. I just can't bother. I just really can't bother sometimes. Can't bother. I'm telling you something, tears alone if you drop out of my eye. I never joke thing. I can't bother. I just feel like give up. I swear to you, I just feel like give up. Look. See the time? 7:50. 7:50. The video literally just finished export. I set it finished export 1 minute past 6. I set it for 1 minute past 7. I set it for upload and go live 8 o'clock. It reached 81% and then I'm going to tell me this again. Same foolishness again. Why? Why this happen? I don't understand. 81%, if it reached 81%, then what could have been the reason I can't export the video and export properly? I don't get it. Need for upload a video to them. Need every time the video them set back like that, then it just too late for the follow-up one. Like, this is how the video keep on export. Just white, just blank. Start over again. 7:55. See what got me this time, because this is the last time I tried. This is the last time I tried, and I could have 10 o'clock tonight. Every day I go tonight. I could have 10 o'clock tonight. It'll go up tonight. I'm over it. So anything the devil I try, my flow come again. It'll go up. If I could have 12 o'clock, it'll go up tonight. Cuties. I'm so sorry. You guys will not be getting a video today. It's now 9:29. You see that? 9:29, and the same thing happened again. The same thing happened. I just come out and shower and go look on it. It finished upload again, and y'all can even see. But again, download the white screen. It has to be something. I don't know what is it. I can't tell what the heck is it. I don't understand. This never happened before. Normally, we will have like one export issue. It will happen one time, but 3 times in a row, never. Never happened like that before. And if I go back in a CapCut now and try to export it, it's not enough space. So clearly, it download. But what happened? I don't know. I don't know what I do wrong in that video. What I add nothing new, I not do nothing different. It's the same thing. So I don't know. I'm gonna try it again, but I'm sure it can't go up for the rest of the night again. Because if it download a while ago, I'm gonna upload it still because at 9:30. But if you go download it again, it's the next 2 hours again. And it is what it is. I'm gonna go lay down. I will see you guys in the morning. I'm so sorry. If you don't get no video, when now get no video for the 21st of August, you guys know why. I did my best. I tried. But something clearly is wrong. And I'm gonna have to go back through the video and fix it. So I'll see you guys in the morning, okay? Night night. This entire vlog I don't have my mic. I'm gonna have to turn this whole thing up. But anyway, the CapCut situation remained the same. The video not export still. I don't know what's going on with that. What me doing, sir? Why me look like turtle? Why me look so fat? What the hell? But anyway, guys, the video not export still. So it look like it's something deeper, like I really have issues either with CapCut. I know it's not the internet. It's not the internet. Because what happened to make the sense. Can I have a music, please? I tried it again last night and the same thing happened this morning. I go look on it, it's white. So it looked like something corrupt the whole file. It nah, I don't know. It not export. So I delete everything from CapCut, update CapCut. I did so much and do it again and the same thing happened. So I'm gonna leave it there for export again, and if it export now, then I guess I gotta go find a tech person to tell me what's going on with it. Or I don't know, but something has to be done. Because today is Saturday, today is Friday. So I'm not gonna look at him windscreen. You in my telephone come. Yeah, so if it don't work by the time I come back, I'm just gonna try maybe can't go out. I'm not listening more of the tech man. Best Buy and see if them can figure out what going with it for me. Now it is Friday like I said, and I don't know if you know say Kemar family they here. My mom, my sister, husband and kids them come every year and spend a month and go home. So them they here and them leave tomorrow morning. So we are doing like a little cookout thing over at my house. You know, just to like last day chill. Because in the sense them literally leave so early in the morning. In the sense they like go out and whatever. So now we just go to a restaurant depot. We go to a restaurant depot and grab some chicken. Well no. Grab some stuff. And then we just go grill. You know? Yeah. Hopefully that CapCut situation will work out so it can put me in a better mood. But yeah, that's the plan for the day. Alright? The reason like this is why I can't manage this place. Because I need like 2 or 3 tomatoes, but now I have to get a whole box. Them here way too small. Them here too small. Kemar, you have to buy a whole box of tomato? You can't like take out some out of them here? Or you have to buy the box? The bag them look spoiled. Yeah. Maybe just have to go stop at the store and grab food. Oh my God, it's oh! Woo! It's cold, it's cold, it's cold. Oh Lord, them are spoiled. Oh my God, this spoiled too. What one? Yeah.
Better.
Ah, the one them look like them spoiled, man.
How about me, Jay? Yeah, everything up. Yeah, everything up there. Let me look, bud.
Okay, they make this, the one like they make as a spoil. We'll get the one they do. You see, it look like a beer fat? That me I run from, the fat. I see one for $19. This?
And a $19, 19
Yes.
pound.
A 19 pound?
Yeah,
So
and a
what the
$19.
price one then? 150 something a pound.
So go around
30? Key food cut up the pork for you?
Yeah.
Alright, get the key food. That's a big ass box. Oh, them bag out, so we don't have to use everything. Good. So how much should that box here?
It's 81 cents a pound.
Okay, that's better. Just the other day, one box of that snapper yard for $50. All of a sudden, eh?
$81 box.
Crazy, no. I don't know them hike the prices them up so. How much one of them here? And what that? Don't what that name I know.
Barbecue sauce. You want this neither?
Where you do that the big buckle of barbecue sauce to Kemar? For do what? When you gonna use it again? It doesn't want a little buckle. What is cheap? How much for that?
You're excited and just more than scared.
You don't need no damn nothing at the shop. You spend too much unnecessary money all the while. And when make you can't get sweet baby back ribs sauce, you have to get some weird shit. You always with the weird things them. They don't have any small one in this? Sweet and sour pork should be good. Or chicken. This probably.
So no barbecue.
No, this
will
are
go
chili. This are the kids
sweet
them
and
never eat
sour.
that.
Sweet and sour. Sweet and sour.
Where? Sweet and sour that?
Yeah.
Hey. Put it back. Put it back to right there. Looking at this, sweet and sour. This look like small box, small one. I don't know. I think you should just get.
This
How much for this?
$15.
Get it, Kemar. And the jerk, the small jerk sauce.
This.
Yes. Yeah, you could get one of that. The hot dog brother look like somebody just roll it and slice it.
Yeah, them not feel good enough.
Them broke. Oh yeah, them here better.
I know them broke.
And just get one of them burger there. Yeah, that's good. I think that should be that. Ooh, they are better. Ooh, this look better. This look bigger, yeah.
Them hard, you know.
Them don't add.
No,
You
them
know,
hard.
no man, them the good man, them the who hold the burger firm. Yeah, that's good. Put back the next one.
Yes, that's the one, that's it.
That's it. So cuties, I'm home and I just tried the thing again and it says the same thing. So clearly, come on. So clearly, it's the actual
what do you call it? It's the actual video. Something wrong with something alright with the video. So I'm gonna have to. Why is it on this? I'm trying to show y'all it, but I don't know what's going on with this. I don't know what going on. I don't know what happened. Because it's saying I have 16 hour water space, yet still it at me say the memory card slow. Speed slow, and it still keep on a cut off. I just camera right now, it's just too much. Me go season meat, me go clean them meat and season them. That's freaking music. Me go clean the meat them, season them, and carry them over Kemar. Hopefully that get rid of the nice. So I'm gonna have to be using the phone because the SD card keeps stopping. But anyway, hopefully me have enough space for at least vlog the day, and then we can go and get a memory card because we don't have the time right now. So we have pork. We have pork, chicken. Oh, and hold on. So I got these pigtail because I always see people grill pigtail and then barbecue it, but I never do it. So I'm going to try to like how we done it on the grill already. So I got 3 pieces because I never eat pork. We got pork, I'm going to season it for jerk it. And we have a box of leg quarters. I'm going to season that for jerk it as well. I'm going to have like about 6 fish. We're going to stuff it with some, whatever I'm having at the house. Because we never do too much, you know what I mean? So whatever I'm having at the house, I'll just get it together, season it and stuff the fish there. Alright, so yeah, let's do this fast because it's after 4 now. And a barbecue. Should I host it already? But Kemar house, over Kemar yard hot like for it now have no tree in the backyard. So it hot sun. So now really the best time for start. But let's start. Let's at least start. So I could just do the pork. Oh, this is some jerk season we'll get for over the shop. I don't know why I came out with carrot. I have so much carrot in the fridge. We get one butter from over the shop too. One big onion. So what we did was we get the pork from over the shop because them just order a whole heap of pork. But them they already season it. So I'm going to try wash off most of the season from over the shop. Maybe just wash off the rest now because I want to season it myself. But now, so the shop season is nice and it's just that it's different, you know? Restaurant season is always different. I know on the love come with no whole heap of foolishness. My sink clean. I not have not big enough for wash it in. So I go wash it in the sink and then I go wash back the sink. Okay? I literally just clean the sink here. Okay guys? Please don't come with the foolishness. I not talk my cuties them because I know better. It's just sometimes people who pass by, they be doing a lot. You know what I mean? Okay. I'm told we can't give it all I see.
I end up use 3 bags. Just put 1 bag in the fridge. Hopefully that can share. Because my back hurt me. We can't go no further. Alright, cuties, now we have some fish. We have 3 snapper. And I have 3 other fish here. I don't know the fish name. But they're big as hell. They are so big. I have 3 of them there. I'll season them, clean them, season them, and then stuff them, and then I'll come right back. Because I don't think I have enough space for showing all of that. Alright? So BRB. Next vegetable. So cuties, I just clean up this, strip the corn them young. Oh my god, every one of them. Me open them roasting can eat. I'm just have some salad, some cucumber, and some lettuce. Them can use it with the burger, or I'm gonna make an in-and-out burger with it. Me go walk with the pepper because me not put none in there because of the kids them. And I was gonna cut up onion for the burger as well, but Kemar not eat onion, so me never want it smell up everything. Me I boil the pigtail them. So this is the second boil. Me I boil them one more time. By the time that done boil, I'm supposed to finish bed and put on my clothes. So me go soon in a quick minute. Oh, and this is the fish. I don't know if me just shown them, but we have the big one them over here, so we have the snapper them over here. So, and we have pork at bottom. I put the fish, the chicken. I put the chicken them outside. Come in another space. No space. I have no space at all. So yeah. Alright, me I'll get ready. BRB. The wig I slide right back at. Oh, so the big fish in and look how far it there. But it'll do one more day. It's okay. Anyway, this is the fit. Just let me turn it around. Fit. It's from Shein. Y'all know this dress. You know the slippers here already. You see it in Shein all. And my MK bag. My watch. Oh, and my new jewelry from Amazon. They're so cute, guys. So cute. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah. That's the look. Cute or whatever. Guys, I smell so good. I smell so sweet. Yo, believe me, cologne the woman I normally draw for in the car. My bag no unpack from New York yet, so everything's still in the car. So me I try out some new cologne with me. Them the new, but them just did it and me no wear them because I always run to the one when I know I could just smell good. But I've been trying these two together. I think it's the I forgot show neat, but guys, it smells so good. I get so much compliment the other night at the bar, and I can tell you right now, I just smell nice, good. Can't bet you, Tanya. Can't bet you. I'm gonna tell them this way.
Let's take a quick second to like the video and hype it up. It's all free, guys. Thank you so much. Let's get back to the video.
Cool? Once you lock it, down back.
You want the whites? You manage the whites? Sure. Boom. No, yeah, madman.
I want him borrowed strap on. Better than borrow the foolishness. Come out of the car and lock the door. Wanna come?
See you next fish.
Yeah. And then you put the next on this side. Alright, I'll lock it up.
Hi, kitties. Hi, baby.
Yeah, no them can't sue no. This Kemar niece, guys. Them can lock on the music a little bit. This Kemar niece, tell them what's your name. Madison, and y'all know Pumpkin. Nally. Okay, guys, they need to turn this music off. When you come out, I can't make me lock the door.
She got the shirt.
It's mine. Leave it in there. Get big though.
Oh, Denali. Oh, I love that. I love that.
Do all them at the next fish?
I don't know which, yeah.
Why may I tell you? But set something them so right, for you can't miss them.
Alright, so them are two of the big one then.
This one rock. Where the pork something there? Give me it.
So it's one more big one then.
Well, put the next three now on next thing there.
So how much snapper you get?
3 snapper and 3 of the next fish.
Okay, so see 3 snapper there. Them 2 yeah, and the long one.
Yo, you ever eat barbecue pigtail?
Yeah, man.
But never do it before. I hope I do it right. I boil it first.
Yeah, man.
I saw you do it right?
Boil it first.
And then I put it on the grill and then we
put it on the grill and
just roll the sauce on it
put the
after.
sauce on it.
See? Smart thinking, girl.
What kind of salad?
You have to make the sauce different.
You know, man, make it simple. Let's say one. You want anything? Alright.
Tanya don't like to pork, you know, guys. She don't like to pork at all. You ever meet Tanya?
No, but I should tell her hello.
That's Kemar's sister. That's her husband. And you met her kids them already.
That's Tanya's husband.
No! Kemar's sister. It's too strong.
Let's try that.
Mix it like when you mix tea, so one fresh cup there. Bartender. I try him once, say try him, but he wants to stir up. What am I wondering? Yes, sir?
Okay. Stir up.
I'm good. I'm good. Ooh. Well, you don't put more coal on this, Kemar? You don't put more coal on this? I think you should put it before them you're gone. Well, Kemar, you're not burn no more chicken over here. No. Because you keep the same bread, you see my dog bread, yeah. Right? Yeah, that's the same dog bread, are they?
That's light up.
But I ain't done much. You know, so your piece of chicken this fell? So they want to do it. Yeah. Kemar is sexy mother here, guys.
Yes, me.
The people that love Kemar, you know. Obsessed.
One woman in town. Yeah.
Were you there? No, me not there. Guys, the music not gonna work. We have to get copyright. Alright. I mean, drink the same drink. It goes when you? Yeah?
Turn it down a little bit when you're black.
No black straight. Make it stay, make it play. Gone bad already. Cold water up there, yeah. When I take Kemar up.
somebody.
Call me.
Just pick up the file paper, man.
I'm gonna keep something. Let me say, give me a gonna kiss.
Wednesday and birthday. Pick up all the little piece of blacky. The dark skin niggas them there. Yeah, the left dark skin niggas them in the back of the bus. Style instinct.
Me not. Cuties, the music is doing a lot, so we can't do no vlogging. Too much music. Alright?
Where is your sister? She's upstairs, sir?
Cuties, they're finding lack of the nice. We can't do look of vlogging. Them lack of the nice. I'll be a nice place. Them both for copyright way. But yeah, the night is over anyway. We just go and chill, you know. Go and chill. Everything was good. Yeah, oh my god. Y'all see this shit? Trying to tell the people, hey.
I left home, I get corn, fish, crackers. Full. I'm full. Honestly, I'm full. What's a rum punch? No, that's it.
Some rum punch. She a go out. I can't manage to go tonight because them leave early. So we have to carry them to the airport early in the morning. But night done. Well, I'm telling you, today is the day for me. For my camera act up. Yeah, today.
Camera active for that?
I said the camera, the SD card, I said done.
So now, for food, that point of heaven.
Jaja.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, cuties, see you guys in the morning. Don't you know what? There's no morning. I'm ending the vlog here. I'm ending the vlog here because the whole day thing today and then tonight is gonna be way too long. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. You ready to go home? I'm never going to at all. Oh my god. Where's mommy? I'm out. Bye. Safe travel. Where the one they gone? Bye. So this is after the fun. Now the exchange of the jacket out here. Bye, 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 bye. Love you.
Yeah.
Bye, bye. Say bye to the vlog.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
See you next time. Yeah. Try
Get
sending.
in. I will. No highway, babes. No highway. No, I'm gonna work with. I'm gonna work with the highway. What am I talking about? If I 10 off and reach home, no highway. Anyway, I'm out. Bye.